Hello guys, welcome back. And so I want to do an import again and to see. So I've done the import. I'm just trying to map. So I think in my student profile, I made the roll number, if I remember correctly, auto increment. So I think I'm not going to add that now. So I'm just going to remove row number and just keep that and leave it at, and just map just these four. Next, import, finished, deallocate, show logs. Oh, some things failed because student is a foreign key profile, admission. Okay, I really don't know why that is. That is stressful too. Oh, so let me see. Let me really see what happened. So constraint foreign key. Yeah. So okay. So maybe I should. I'm going to populate the student the table instead of having to do the student profile. I can't tell what was happening. Maybe I don't know. Okay, so this is it. First thing. So everything maps fine. Mapped out fine. Okay, let me. So it's this import is good. Finish. So I would still try for. Let me refresh. Hopefully the tables are there. I'm gonna run. Just run the script for checking to see if my tables were populated. So it's populated, and now I will just go back, Ctrl Z, right click, import, and browse. Go to student profile this time around. Next, next. So row number, no. Row number is just student. Class is class. Age is age. Row number, no. We're just going to leave it like that. And we could just keep it at. I actually don't think this is a problem, but and gender as gender. So I'm going to next import. Why does it look like? Oh yeah, the import was successful. But that's interesting. So most likely, because it was a foreign key, I needed to import the a foreign key is a primary key in another table. So most likely that's what happened. And when I run this, wow, it's populated. Oh wow. So it started from, oh no, I don't like this. I'm going to drop. I actually wanted it to start from I wanted it to start from 1. So I actually don't like that. I would drop the. Do I drop the table? I'll drop the table, create the table again. I don't want. I'm gonna drop the table. Off the top of my head, that's what comes to my head. I know I can easily do something to it. But off the top of my head is what comes to mind. I'm gonna drop the table. I'll create the table again. This time around, hopefully it works fine. Refresh. So I'm just gonna use. I'm going to use the. Let me go here. Okay, so student profile. Go there. So I would allocate the row number to student class I'm going to allocate the row number. Yeah, so it's let it start from 1, then gender. Next. Oh, so everything, the import was fine. Next, finish. I'm gonna let me not drop table. I'll just select all from and run it. Oh, so it started from 1 and this is what we want. And so we are also going to populate the cost. So we'll go back to our Microsoft Excel. Yikes. Let's see. So I could just come here, say sheet 2, and I'll just put the cost code and say cost name, and we could just come up with so we'd say English, math or mathematics, computer science, I'm going to create I'll create everything and we'll